In this video, I will show you how to mute hashtags on Twitter. So to get started, go ahead and open Twitter on your device. You can do this both on the website and the application. So click on your profile at the top left of your screen, click on settings and support under that, and click on settings and privacy. Now once you're in here, go ahead and click on privacy and safety, and then under that, click on mute and block. So in this section, you can go ahead and add the hashtags that you want to mute and block. So click on muted words and then click on this plus button at the bottom right to mute words, hashtags, and such from your feed. So you can go ahead and set it mute from home timeline and notification, and from whom the muted words would come from, and the duration of the muted word. And that is how you can basically mute hashtags on Twitter.